Put a cup of flour in the toilet and you will thank me forever. Few people know this trick, so pay close attention because when you know it, you will never stop doing it. With the passage of time and continuous use, it is very common for the toilet bowl to be filled with salt and yellow spots that stick to the toilet and become very difficult to remove. This is a bad taste, especially when you clean the bathroom and you see that no matter how much you scrub, they seem not to disappear. Many people buy chemicals that are ineffective and that can cause damage or recurring allergies. But you don't have to worry anymore, because today I will teach you an unusual, easy, and fast method that will help you get rid of this problem in a moment. To begin with, we will take a cup that has a size similar to this. This can be plastic or ceramic. Next, we add about 200 grams of corn or wheat flour. You can use the one you prefer. Flour has incredible absorption and cleaning benefits. The amount to use will vary depending on how dirty your toilet is. It is important that when doing this trick you put on a mouth cover, since the smell can be very strong. The next thing will be to go to the toilet and add a little white vinegar inside. Next, we are going to sprinkle the flour all over the bowl. I would like to know from which country you are watching me, so I will send you a greeting in a next video. Today's special greeting is dedicated to Jose Falgama from Argentina. After this, we are going to cover the toilet and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes to make it work. This time may vary depending on how dirty your toilet is. Once the time has passed, we lift the lid of the toilet. Now, with the help of a toothbrush, we are going to rub well. At this point, the yellow spots and the salt will have completely peeled off. Finally, we are going to add the vinegar. Finally, pull the toilet and you will notice that it will be very white. If you got to this part of the video, leave me the phrase, "flour for my bathroom," so I will know that you saw the full video.
Viste el video completo.